Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making a sweet and sour chicken. So in the pan I have a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. The recipe calls for red bell peppers. I have green, so that's what I'm using. So I'm adding 2 green bell peppers cut up into bite-sized pieces. I cut up the chicken breast, breaded it, and put it in the oven and baked it. I prefer that over frying the chicken breast. This is all going to come together pretty quickly. You just saute for a little bit. I want this to have some crisp, so I'm going to add a half a cup of soy sauce to this. Two tablespoons of rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of ground ginger. Next I'm going to add 2 cans of pineapple, with the juice. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Ouch, that's still hot. Stir this all into the sauce. Then I want to thicken the sauce a bit, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I've cooked a pot of rice. So I'm going to let this cook for a little bit until it thickens up. And then I'll be right back. Okay, that was the basic version of sweet and sour chicken. And I'm not going to lie, I doctored mine up a little bit. I added some shredded carrots. And I added some sauteed mushrooms. Let me tell you, this is good. So, hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. You'll give it a thumbs up. You'll like it. And you'll please subscribe. And I will see you again next time. Bye.